This is where I get my cat water usually. It's a little hidden spring where I live. Frenchman Spring. Take the time to read that. Pretty interesting. A lot of history. Natural spring. It's an old sign basically telling everybody they're welcome to get some water. So that's what we're going to do. Look at that beautiful, fresh, clean water. I wish I had property like this. Freaks me out every time. It's just longhorn bulls, but they are so loud. Especially out here in the middle of nowhere. Scares you. Hey baby. First stop today. Thank you for who sent food and cat litter. Paula sent cat litter and food. Vicky sent some. Sonia, thank you so much. Alright, on to the second stop. Hungry baby. Second stop of the day. He's so hungry, he can't even wait on me to leave. Got him some hard food, soft food, 2 things of water. He's got a little house hidden back there in the woods. I made him. But he's ready to eat.